Thank you for joining me on Yummy Keto. I'm so happy that you guys checked us out. I just want to show you a quick, budget-friendly carnivore or ketovore grocery haul. So let's get right into this haul, you guys. Now, the carnivore community, they really preach organ meats. And you can't get any more organ than this. This is pig intestines. Sorry if that grows some of you guys out. Sorry. I'm from the South, so I pronounce it chitlins. Some of you guys may have heard it called chitterlings, but I love these. I was raised on these. My grandmothers cooked them very, very well. Now I know how to cook them, and if you want to learn how to cook them, hit that subscribe button, stick around, and I'm going to show you. Now we have a friend that is a hunter, so if you stick around to see our first 2 Ketovore meals, you'll see that we use some of the elk. Now this one is elk burger. The other one we use is elk sausage. That's going to be in the picture at the end of the video. So this is, I have actually lost. I don't like the scale at all, but I weighed myself just to start this so I can see where I start and where I end, what the results are going to be. And so I have been losing a pound to a pound and a half. And I've been documenting that in my journal. Almost whenever I weigh myself, I've weighed myself 3 times now. And I've lost 3 pounds since I started this. So because I am from the South, we have pig's feet. Down south, we would eat pig's feet pickled. So, and I love that. I love pickled pig feet. But now I can't say that I've always cooked this. My little sister is better at cooking this than I am. If you do them right, they're going to come out so tender and good. So you guys stick around for that so you can get that recipe. As a matter of fact, you could go to my shorts and you can see how good these pig's feet come out. So the other thing that we're going to really be taking advantage of is the sausages here. For breakfast, I can do different things with them for lunch. I love these sausages, you guys. They came from Costco. They are really good and they last a long time. I'm going to show you how to just take some cheap steak and make it a couple of different ways, because I know that I've watched a lot of videos where the people that are doing the carnivore lifestyle, they are really buying a lot of ribeyes, and everybody can afford ribeyes. Sometimes they're on sale, great, and that's our favorite steak, a ribeye. But I'm going to show you how to make this just as good and tender and stretch for your family. So y'all stick around for that. Now the other thing, the egg eater, after we started keto, I really was not an egg lover. But now, since doing keto, my taste buds has changed. I'm more drawn to protein than sugar, and now I am really an egg lover. So if you guys change your diet, you'll find that out too, that your taste buds will start changing. You won't be craving sugar and carbs like you used to. Now my body actually craves the eggs. So here is the eggs that we usually get. If any of you guys are carnivore out there, let me know. How am I doing here? How's this looking? So this is going to be some salmon croquettes. Now I also grew up with salmon croquettes. My grandmother would make some really fluffy, delicious homemade biscuits, and she would make salmon croquettes, and she would have bird rabbit. Any of y'all know about bird rabbit out there? She would have bird rabbit served, or it's in molasses. Anyway, I hated it. Ugh, it was gross. It was nasty. Sausage patties I really like because I can use them to make like the egg McMuffins, but without the muffin, without the bread. So now when I am doing keto, I know how to make this really good lupin flour waffle, and I put the sausage in between that, and it's really good. And lupin flour, the protein content of lupin flour is crazy. I don't even want to get into that, but it's 12 grams of protein. So I love the lupin flour. And now the other thing is that I have one of my favorite steaks also, which is the flanken steak. The flanken steak, this is just like if you go to a buffet. We're big buffet people. So when you go to a buffet and you see the Korean short ribs, I know how to do these really quick and fast in the air fryer with a really delicious flavor. So stick around so you can see how to do that. Now also, we have a few lunch meats. We love pastrami. Also, we have some ham off the bone. Now, one thing that my husband loves in the can is that he loves these kippers. He loves the kippers, and the people in the carnivore community, they always preach sardines. So I got that. So I'll see how that works out for me. This is really about implementing carnivore into your lifestyle on a budget. All this is budget friendly. I'm telling you, we only spent like $100 and something. We wanted to reset for the fall, but most importantly, we want to see how it's going to affect our health, how it's going to change our gut. You know, is it going to be better for us? When you do Ketovore, that is the least carbs that you can have, period, in your diet. So your metabolism and your fat burning engine is going to be revved. So you guys stick around and subscribe. We have a lot of great things coming, a lot of good recipes, and I'm glad that you stopped by, and I hope that you enjoyed this haul. But look really soon this week for what I'm going to be doing with this chuck steak. You're going to love it. You're going to love what I do with this chuck steak. So do not miss that. Talk to you later.